By now you've heard quite a bit about how easy Bartec's tools are to use. For the next few minutes, we'll show you an example of why these are the premier tools for the TPMS workplace. Let's look at the Tech 400. Before the Tech 400, TPMS repair of particular Asian makes such as Nissan, Hyundai, and Kia were impossible for the private repair shop. The Tech 400 is a high-end specialty TPMS tool that is designed for those vehicles that require a corporate scan tool in order to complete a TPMS relearn. Before we get into how to use the Tech 400, let's examine some of the unique features that make this the premier TPMS tool. The Tech 400 has a large, easy-to-read display. The menus are simple to navigate using the 7-button interface. You can view TPM data previously collected by choosing View TPM Data. You can clear the tool memory by selecting Delete TPM Data. Tool configuration can be set by choosing the Settings option. At the bottom of the tool, you will notice a special connector. This is where the communications cable is connected to the Tech 400. Protecting the tool is a molded rubber boot designed to provide extra protection for rugged shop environments. The Tech 400 has a mini USB port. This is used for both updating the tool and outputting sensor data to a PC or laptop. Remember, this is important for retaining customer records. The Tech 400 also has a rechargeable battery. When fully charged, the Tech 400 offers many hours of use. The power supply, which is included in the kit, is plugged into the port located at the top of the tool. After turning the device on, the display will come on and the tool will default to the main menu. Select the Select by Vehicle menu and press Enter. Now you are ready to select the make of the vehicle. We'll try looking for a Nissan Altima. Use the arrow keys to navigate the list. A single press can move the selection one at a time, while holding down either key will scroll through the list continuously until you release it. Hit Enter when you reach the vehicle's make. Now select the model by using the arrow keys and hit Enter once you've reached the desired model. Finally, select the year by using the same up and down keys. If the letter T appears in the icon display under the menu before you've reached the model or year, the Tech 400 is telling you that no further selections are required for that vehicle. Place the tool against the sidewall of the tire and aim it at the sensor. This is often a 30 to 45 degree angle. Press the test button once. A bar will appear at the bottom of the display moving left to right to indicate the progress of the LF transmission. When the bar reaches the right-hand side of the screen, the tool is now expecting a transmission from the sensor. Once the TPM signal has been detected and decoded, the critical sensor information will be viewable on the display. An audible response will also sound upon decoding. In the event of no TPM being found, or if the tool reads a faulty TPM, the display will read No TPM Found. If a replacement part number is available, that will be displayed as well. What you've just completed was the pre-service scan. Once all 4 sensors have been scanned, you are ready to plug the tool into a PC. The Tech 400 has a unique feature known as Audit Mode. The Audit Mode makes the tool function like a memory stick. The device contains the information until it is plugged into a PC, where it can then save the information. Once plugged in, you can review the information and print reports from the pre-service scan. If repairing the vehicle required sensor replacement, control module replacement, or sensor repositioning, you must now get the sensor information and stream it into the control module. Properly position the tool at each wheel and press Test to capture the sensor information. As always, begin at the left front tire and proceed clockwise. An on-screen display will prompt you to move from tire to tire until all 4 sensors have been captured. At this point, the comms window will light up, indicating you must now plug the Tech 400 into the vehicle. Prior to plugging the vehicle in, Place the key in the on position with the engine off. Use the OBD connector to plug the TEC 400 into the OBD port underneath the dashboard. As the data is being sent to the car, the warning light will likely continue to flash. Once the IDs are successfully written to the car, the light should go off. If you wish to print a final document to display the status of the vehicle, you may now do that. Follow the same instructions for the audit mode as before to get these results. As you are no doubt aware, the information needed to use this tool changes and updates constantly. Because of our low-cost annual subscription service, Bartec lets you update the tool as often as necessary without charging you for every new release. However, as new vehicle manufacturers are added to the TEC 400, there will be additional communication protocol updates, and these updates will be available at a separate cost. First, download the application software from the CD included in the kit. From there, you can register on Bartec's website and download the newest software version. Once you have the application software installed, launch the program. Remove the rubber boot. Connect the USB cable to the computer first. While holding the Enter key, plug the USB into the tool. The window in the wheelwright programmer will display the tool once it recognizes the USB connection. At the same time, the TEC 300 Plus will display program mode. The on-screen software will guide you through the remainder of the process, and in just a few brief minutes, you'll have successfully updated your tool. That's it. Sounds too easy to be true, doesn't it? Unlike many other companies and their complicated equipment, Bartec's tools are streamlined for simple and fast-paced use. Whether it's the easy-to-use interface, our low-cost upgrades, our value-added website, or our ability to function quickly and properly, our tools speak for themselves. Plus, with Bartec, you get a company that's ahead of the curve and has years of experience, not to mention the best customer service in the industry. To learn more about Bartec's TPMS tools, please talk to your tool supplier or visit us on the web at bartecusa.com. Bartec, the original TPMS tools.